A very good morning to class 8 student. Class 8 student, this one is your computer period. Now the next topic is network topology. Network topology means the interconnection on or the networking of computers has to be done known as patterns so that computer is able to communicate efficiently and also in personal responsible for networking understand to arrangements. So the arrangement of computers and other devices like a pattern is known as topology. In a simple word, we can say that arrangement of computers and other devices like printer and scanner in a pattern is known as topology. Again, I am going to repeat you have to memorize this definition also. Arrangement of computers and other devices like printers and scanners in a pattern is known as topology. So, what is network topology? Students, we have learned that computer can be interconnected to each other to exchange data and for intercommunication. The intercommunication or the networking of computer has to be done in is known as pattern so that the computer are able to communicate efficiently and also the person responsible for the networking understand to arrangement of the computers. The topology use help to select the communication medium and the other network devices. While choosing a topology, care has to be taken. Then the installation cost is minimum and the network design should be reliable and flexible. Network topologies are broadly categorized into the following types. We categorize network topologies like bus topology, star topology, tree topology, and ring topology. So these are the topologies. Yes, right. Let's talk about protocols. What are protocols? So all of you know the meaning of the protocols. Protocols means niyam, rules. Example है when two humans converse with each other, they may use the same language or different languages to communicate. There should be there could be grammatical errors too, maybe, but some humans might still understand each other. It happens sometimes, right? There could be grammatical errors too, but the humans still understand each other. The two devices in a network communicate with each other. They use proper format to exchange information. This format or set of rules is known as protocol. A protocol is a special set of rules. The main definition is this. Definition is what? A protocol is the special set of rules for communication between network devices. A protocol is a special set of rules for communication between network devices. Protocols specify the type of interactions between the communication devices. Some of the important protocols used are as follows. The protocols are transmission control protocol, hypertext transfer protocol, HTTP, file transfer protocols, FTP. So they are the protocols, right? Let us talk about network security. What is network security? Computer network are communication highways on which the data travels. Data travel on a network when an email send or receive, right? So A transaction is made using a credit or a debit card. A website is accessed, chatting is done, or any other work is done on a network. Data traveling over a network is exposed to attacks, the theft. There is always a theft of some kind of attacks on the computer network security. It is the responsibility of a person, organization to protect its network from such attacks, right? Network security. What is network security? The main option is what is network security? So all of you know that nowadays what had happened, there are so many thefts had been happened in network through network. Network security refers to any activity designed to protect the usability and integrity of the network and data. It includes both hardware and software technologies. Efficient, effective network security manage access to the network. It targets a variety of threats and stop them from entering or spreading on our network. To protect a network from security attacks, a number of steps are taken. Which types of steps you have to take for a security? Login password. Login password. By using login names and strong password to the user of a system, it can be ensured that only authorized people access a computer. This helps in increasing the computer security as well as network security. So this one is the benefit of login password. And firewall. What is firewall? Maybe this question comes in your examination. And students, dear students, one paragraph is also coming in your exam. You have to find out the answer from the paragraph, right? So all of you have to know the answer. You are able to find out the answers in the paragraph. Login password. By assigning login names and strong password to the user of a system, it can be ensured that only authorized people access a computer. This helps in increasing the computer security as well as network security. Firewall. What are firewalls? A firewall is a hardware device. A firewall is a hardware device or a software that is installed on monitor the data entering the computer networking or leaving it. A firewall permits only that data to enter or leave a computer network of which permission have been granted by the computer network administrator. They are called firewall. Basically, the firewall is a hardware or a software that is installed to monitor the computer entering the computer network or leaving it. Antivirus software. What is antivirus software? Antivirus software is a program or a set of program. Antivirus software is a program or a set of programs that are designed to prevent search for detect and remove software viruses. If and when a virus is detected, the computer displays a type of warning asking what action should be taken, often giving the option to remove, ignore, or move the file to the vault. Example antivirus softwares are window defenders, right? Then file permission. File permission is what? A data file on a computer can be created, read, or modified. An application file can be run or created according different rights can be given to a different user of a computer to perform one or more of these tasks by giving appropriate rights to respective user. Computer security as well as network security can be increased. So these are some important points, and right now I am telling you some important definitions also. What is computer network? A computer network is a collection of interconnected computers. A computer network is a collection of interconnected computer and other devices which are able to communicate with each other and share hardware and software resources. Then the second one, node. What are nodes? Each computer on the network is called a node. What is server? Definitely it's a very important point. What is server? A computer that facilitates sharing of data. A computer that facilitates sharing of data, software, hardware, resources on the network is known as the server. A computer that facilitates sharing of data, software and hardware resources on the network is known as server. And what is personal area network? All of you know that the personal area network. What is personal area network? It is the smallest network formed and is typically within a few meters. In a few meter area, when the computers are connected to each other, they are called the personal area network. And what is local area network? It is a network of devices in a room, building or campus, and it covers an area of a few meters in a few kilometers. It's called local area network. These are the differences of PAN, LAN, MAN, CAN, WAN. So PAN is personal area network, LAN is local area network, MAN is metropolitan area network, CAN is campus area network, WAN is wide area network. So local area network, it is a network of devices in a room, building or campus, and it covers an area of a few meters to a few kilometers. That is called local area network. And metropolitan area network, it covers an area of few kilometers to a few hundred kilometers, is called metropolitan area network. Then after campus area network, what is campus area network? It is the network of multiple interconnected local area in a limited geographical area. Once again, campus area network, it is the network of multiple interconnected local area in a limited geographical area. It is called campus area network. What is wide area network? It is the largest network that spans country and even continents. It is the largest network that spans countries and even continents. It is called wide area network. Network topology. It is the arrangement of the nodes, server, peripheral devices of the computer network. It is called network topology. We already discussed that. All of you have seen in this figure topology. We divided the topologies in 4 parts: bus topology, ring topology, star topology and tree topology. And the protocols divided into 3 parts: TCP, IP, HTTP and FTP. File transfer protocol, hypertext transfer protocol, right? So wide area network. What is wide area network? It is the largest network. It is the largest network that spans countries and even continents. It's called wide area network. Network topology. It is the arrangement of the nodes, servers, peripheral devices of a computer network. It's called network topology. It is the arrangement of nodes, servers, peripherals, devices of a computer network. What are protocols? Protocol is the special set of rules for communication between network devices. So again, you have to memorize these definitions as well. Protocols is the special set of rules for communication between network devices. So student, these are some important point which we recap on this video. So all of you have to watch this video again and again and memorize in your mind, so that you can easily write the answers of the question. And dear students, I already have given you one passage also in your computer paper, one paragraph, where you have, after the paragraph, 5 questions are there. You have to find out the answers of that question from the paragraph, right? So students, do work hard and learn the question and answers, so that you can write the answers of your question paper easily. Thank you. Have a nice day.